If you want to prevent others from finding you by your email address on Snapchat, here is how to hide it using your Android phone. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to go to the settings. Scroll down and tap on mobile number or email depending on your latest version or not of your app. Under your email address, you will see an option that says Let others find me using my email address. Simply uncheck or disable it. Once this is turned off, no one will be able to search for your Snapchat account using your email address, even if they have it saved in their contacts. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your email and made your Snapchat account more private.